We've had snow on the ground here since January 24th, I believe, and it was about 6 or 7 inches thick, and it's finally starting to disappear. This is the first I'm seeing bare patches in almost exactly a month. That's the longest we've had snow cover on the ground for a long time. So I'm actually starting to consider unwrapping some of these figs. At the end of February, I take a look at the forecast, and if there's nothing in the forecast of any temperatures below the low 20s, basically 20 degrees, then I usually uncover them. We rarely get deep cold in March. The last time we've got any sort of damaging cold for figs in March was March of 2015. So that's 11 years since we've had that. So I usually take the chance at the end of February, and as long as there's nothing in the 2-week forecast that's damaging, I start to unwrap them. It'll be nice to see ground and be able to dig in the ground again. It's been a long, cold winter, but I'm looking forward to spring. This is the first time since late January that the whole orchard is clear of snow. First time in a month, and it's not going to look like this tomorrow. Right now the forecast is calling from anywhere from 4 inches to 20 inches of snow, which is ridiculous, but we'll see. We'll see what we get. This is the before picture. We only ended up with about 4 inches of snow, but that was kind of what I was hoping for. Not so much that it's going to take a while to melt, and as I'm recording this now, it's a day later, and basically all of the snow is gone, so the whole orchard is clear. So I am looking forward to the spring, and I'm looking forward to the warm-up that we're getting coming soon. But looking at the temperatures coming up, it looks like we are going to have 2 more days that are somewhat cold in the low 20s. So I think that's right around the first week of March. So right after those 2 days, I'm going to start unwrapping the trees. Now I have a lot to do. I don't even know how many are in ground exactly, but there's a lot, so it's going to take some time. So I'm just starting early to do a little bit at a time. Wherever you're located, just make sure that you get an idea of what your upcoming forecast is and what your temperatures normally are throughout March. In a lot of areas north of me, March is way too early to unwrap the trees. You can still get very damaging cold in March. Where we are, it's not so big of a deal, and we still could have a surprise event that causes me to have to try to protect some of these, but it's just very unlikely at this point. So once that forecast reaches out to mid-March, I feel pretty confident that we're not going to get real deeply cold again.